In this video, I show you how to uninstall, delete or remove Food Dash Flow Control Game app. For doing this, go to Settings, then go to Apps, then click on Food Dash Flow Control Game. Click on it. You can see that uninstall option not showing. Scroll down, find out Home app, click on it. Now go back to your default launcher, Pixel launcher or System launcher or any other launcher you use. Click on it. Then go to Settings again, then go to Apps. Now click on Food Dash Flow Control Game app. You can see that uninstall option showing. Click on uninstall and OK. Also another second method. Go to Play Store. Now search Food Dash Flow Control Game. Click on it. Click on uninstall. Click on OK. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.